1974 Imperial Coupe by Chrysler, $3,750, New Mexico. This rare 1974 Imperial LeBaron Coupe is one of only 57 made. Powered by a 440 V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor and automatic transmission, this big block classic features 4-wheel disc brakes and mostly original paint and interior. Runs and drives well but needs minor tinkering. Top 2. 1975 MGB sports car, Fort Arizona. This charming 1975 MGB is ready for the road. Featuring a 4-cylinder engine and manual transmission, this classic British convertible comes with both a soft and hard top. A fun and affordable classic sports car, perfect for weekend drives. Three, 1975 Jeep Grand Wagoneer, Ford 250 Washington. This vintage 1975 Jeep Grand Wagoneer is a complete project vehicle featuring a 360 V8 engine, quadra-track 4x4, and classic leather interior. Although it needs engine work, this SUV is a fantastic restoration candidate. Four, 1972 Lincoln Continental Mark IV, $8,900, Arizona. A luxurious classic, this 1972 Lincoln Continental Mark IV boasts a powerful 460 V8 engine, automatic transmission, and elegant gold moondust metallic paint. With a clean Arizona title and functional AC, it's a timeless cruiser. Top 5. 1965 Ford Country Wagon, $3,500, California. This 1965 Ford Country Wagon packs a big block 390 engine with 330 HP and an FMX automatic transmission, a running project with a solid body, new tires, and all parts included for restoration. 6. 1968 Chrysler Newport, $12,000, California. This well-preserved 1968 Chrysler Newport features a freshly repainted lemon yellow exterior, a stock 383 V8 engine, and automatic transmission, ready for long cruises or cross-country drives. Seven, 1968 Dodge Polara Wagon, 9200. A unique project wagon, this 1968 Dodge Polara comes equipped with a 383 big block engine, 727 transmission, and working AC. Runs and drives but requires finishing touches. Eight, 1961 Ford Falcon, $3,300 gun. This 1961 Ford Falcon is a simple yet stylish classic featuring a 2.4-liter inline-six engine and manual transmission. Runs and drives but needs cosmetic attention. A great entry-level project. Nine, 1961 Dodge Panel Van Wagon, $14,000. This vintage 1961 Dodge Panel Van has been updated with a 350 Chevy Camaro engine and 5-speed transmission. Runs and drives well with minimal rust. Ten, 1969 Chevy Impala, $11,000, a one-owner classic. This 1969 Chevy Impala has a rebuilt V8 engine, updated electrical systems, and new tires. Needs some interior and exterior TLC, but runs beautifully. Eleven, 1964 Plymouth Barracuda, $13,700. This 1964 Barracuda is a mechanically sound hot rod with a mild 318 V8, 4-speed manual transmission, and disc brakes. Ready for paint with a clean title. 12 1950 Ford Custom, 13-7 New Mexico. A rolling time capsule, this unrestored 1950 Ford Custom sedan features an original flathead V8, 3-speed manual with overdrive, and classic green paint. '13 1953 Ford Custom Line, 13,500 Arizona. This 1953 Ford Custom Line combines vintage charm with modern upgrades, including a 351 V8 engine, automatic transmission, and custom interior. Let me know if you'd like any further adjustments or additions.